This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, undo the 2 retaining bolts, and manoeuvre the rear light cluster rearwards from place. Note how the locating pins engage with the holes in the vehicle body. Disconnect the wiring plug as the light cluster is withdrawn. Undo the 2 retaining screws and detach the bulb holder from the light assembly. Press in and twist the relevant bulb and remove it from the holder. Install the new bulb, pressing in and turning it to secure it. Fit the 2 retaining screws to the light assembly. Position the cluster in position on the vehicle body and reconnect the electrical connector. Centre the cluster locating pins and then press the assembly firmly against the vehicle body. Fit the 2 retaining bolts and tighten them securely.